Hook. What if you could earn money every single month just by recommending tools you already use? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. And in 2026, AI makes it easier than ever to build a real passive income stream doing it. Introduction. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to make money online. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your unique link, and you earn a commission. AI tools have completely transformed how quickly you can build an affiliate marketing business by automating the content creation side of the equation. What is affiliate marketing? When you sign up for an affiliate program, you get a unique tracking link. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Some programs pay one-time commissions. The best programs like GetResponse pay recurring monthly commissions, meaning you earn money every single month for every customer you refer as long as they stay subscribed. Best affiliate programs for AI content creators. GetResponse pays recurring commissions for every email marketing customer you refer. Writesonic pays commissions for every AI writing tool subscriber. 11 Labs has an affiliate program for their AI voice generation tool. These 3 programs alone can build a significant monthly income for a YouTube channel focused on AI tools. How to promote with AI. Use Claude or Writesonic to write honest review scripts for each tool. Use Pictory to turn those scripts into videos. Use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails. Publish on YouTube with your affiliate links in the description. The entire content creation process can be handled with AI tools, leaving you to focus on strategy and growth. How much can you earn? A YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers in the AI tools niche can realistically earn $500 to $2,000 per month from affiliate commissions alone. At 10,000 subscribers, that number grows to $2,000 to $10,000 per month. The key is consistency and recommending tools you genuinely believe in. Closing. Affiliate marketing combined with AI content creation is one of the most powerful income strategies available in 2026. Start by signing up for the GetResponse affiliate program using the link in my description and create your first review video this week. Subscribe for weekly AI income tutorials and drop a comment telling me which affiliate program you're going to start with.